Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the nature, scope and meaning of econometrics. Economics is a social science which deals with man and his activities in the society. Activities of the man in the society like production, consumption, distribution, exchange, etc. Subject matter of economics, it is wide. To understand the subject matter of economics, scholar has divided economics into various branches. The branches of economics are microeconomics, macroeconomics, public economics, international economics, econometrics, statistical economics, mathematical economics. Now, econometrics, it is a specialized branch of economics. It is a recent branch of economics. The term econometrics, which is coined by Nobel laureate Ragnar Frisch in the year 1930s. Now, it is a specialized branch. Why? Because it is different from other branches of economics. Now, econometrics is a subject, it is a social science which deals with mathematical economics, economic theory and statistics. How mathematics, economics and statistics it is related. First we will see meaning of economics. Economics which studies about various theories. In theories we are going to study different variables. In fact, economics is nothing but study of different variables. Take for example consumption and income. It is a theory given by J.M. Keynes. J.M. Keynes theory states that as and when income increases, consumption level also increases. There are two variables here, it is income and consumption. Now, it is developed in the past. Now, by using that econometrics, we can understand relationship between consumption and income in scientific way. Therefore, to understand past theories in scientific way, we need to use econometrics subject. Now, econometrics, it is nothing but it is a judicious combination of economics, economic theory, statistics and mathematical economics. Now, as I already told, consumption and income, it is a two variable relationship. Economic theory which tells us only about relationship between the two variables. Now, if we want to know extent of relationship, we go for specialized techniques or specialized branch, it is econometrics. Therefore, in order to understand the measurement of relationship, in order to understand the extent of relationship between two variable or among variable, we need to go for it is a specialized branch called econometrics. Now, we can understand econometrics is nothing but it is a social science which deals with statistics, mathematics and economic theory. Therefore, to become a good econometrician, one should have the knowledge of economic theory, statistics and mathematics. It is a brief introduction for what is econometrics. Now, after knowing what is econometrics, we should know what is the relationship between economic theory and econometrics, mathematical economics and econometrics, and statistics and econometrics. First, we will see what is the relationship between economic theory and econometrics. As I already told, economic theory, it is nothing but study of various theories. These theories which is developed by the economist in the past. Now, this theory which explains the relationship between various variables. Now, these theories we should study in present situation. In order to study these theories in a best possible way, we go for econometrics subject. Now, in econometrics, we come across various models. All these models which uses economic theory, one or other economic theory. As I already told, in consumption model, econometric model related to consumption, we can find it is a relationship between consumption and income. It is a theory given by J.M. Keynes. Now, we can understand what is the relationship between economics and econometrics. Without econometrics, we cannot understand economic theory in scientific way. Therefore, to measure the relationship, in order to understand economic theory in scientific way, we go for econometrics subject. It is a first relationship between economic theory and econometrics. Now, second relationship between mathematics and economic theory. Now, econometrics. Relationship between consumption and income, which is given by the economic theory. Now, this theory tells us only exact relationship between consumption and income. Dependent variable, it is a consumption, and income, it is a independent variable. Economic theory, which states the relationship between consumption and income as it is. But mathematics, which tells us this relationship in the form of equations. These equations which expresses exact relationship between consumption and income, or dependent variable and independent variable. Now, in fact, this relationship between two variables, it is not exact relationship. Why? Because human activities, it is differ from one person to another person. Man has to involve in society. Therefore, not only income, apart from income, consumption, which is determined by other random factors. Random factors like it is a taste of the consumer, preferences of the consumer, advertisement expenditure, all other factor which also contributes for consumption pattern of a individual. Therefore, not only income, apart from income, other random factor or sporadic factor which influences on consumption behavior of individual. Now, how to use these sporadic factors or random factor in econometric in explaining the relationship between economic theory and economic theory. Now, econometrics, it's a specialized subject which guides us how to utilize these sporadic factors or random factor in explaining these theories. Now, by using error term in econometric model, we can explain relationship between consumption, income and other factor. Now, we can realize what is the relationship between econometrics and mathematical subject, mathematical economics. Now, after knowing relationship between economics and econometrics, then economics and statistical economics, next one, it is a relationship between economics and it is a econometrics. How economics and econometrics or statistical economics it is related. Now, in economic mathematical model, we studied relationship, it is a exact relationship. Then after we studied inexact relationship. Next, after knowing inexact relationship, we go for measurement of this relationship or extent of this relationship. Now, statistical inferences, in statistical paper we come across many tools, that is statistical inferences. By using that statistical tools, we can analyze collected statistical data. We can estimate relationship between these independent variable and dependent variable. Estimation is possible, forecasting is possible, prediction is possible by using these statistics. Therefore, it is a relation, it is economics, statistics, econometrics, it is related with each other. Now, in summary, we can say econometrics, it is a study which deals with, it is statistics, mathematics and economic theory. Now, uses of this econometrics paper, it is for forecasting analysis, forecasting and analysis of previous theories, then policy purpose, public policy, we are using this econometrics paper. Now, in econometrics, we have two branches, two types of econometrics. One is theoretical econometrics and applied econometrics. Now, in econometrics, we have many concepts. It is a two-variable regression equation, simple linear regression or simple linear regression equations, and multiple regression equation, simultaneous regression equation. All these equations which tells us relationship between independent variable and dependent variable. By using these equation, we can analyze extent of relationship we can understand by using these econometric model. Now, it is brief about nature, scope and meaning of econometrics. Next class we will see what is a two variable regression equation, how we can estimate values of the parameter, then how we can forecast these values, then in next class we will also see simultaneous equations, then autocorrelation, multiple regression equations, then problems of regression analysis. It is I think it is enough for today. Thank you.